Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install and optimize TrueNAS Scale for home NAS storage step by step. So step 1, you can go to TrueNAS.com and download the TrueNAS Scale ISO installer to your computer. But first, you will need to sign up before you can download it. Step 2, you can use Rufus or Balena Etcher to flash the iOS onto a USB stick, and then you can plug it into your NAS hardware or spare PC. Step 3, you can now boot from the USB and follow the installation wizard. You can choose your boot drive, set your root password, and complete the setup. Step 4, once you installed it, you can open your browser and go to the IP address shown on the screen to access the TrueNAS web dashboard. Step 5, set up the storage pools under the Storage tab using the available drivers. And then use RAID Z if you want redundancy. Step 6, create shares such as SMB, NFS, or ISCSI based on your network setup, and you can add users if needed. Step 7, go to apps, install essential tools like Nextcloud or Plex, and configure automatic updates for security and performance. And now, your true NAS scale system is ready to store and manage your files at home. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.